Monty. Aren't Leo's inventions great?
Yeah, but where are the metal people with blinking googly eyes?
Oh, well, Leo sometimes makes robots, but...
It's been a while. I haven't made a lot of robots since one of them tried to conquer the world.
Right. Theologitomaton tried like 4 times.
5 times, but who's counting? The important thing is that during a Bible trivia match, Theologitomaton Ultimate got stuck in a logical paradox.
Overloading.
And self-destructed. She now rests for all eternity in the city dump.
Weren't you sad your robot died?
Honestly, I was relieved. Now that she's gone, I can focus on other, safer inventions.
Oh, that's why we came over, because I invented something too.
Wow, Monty, it's...
For birds. They don't have hands for a hand mirror, so I put it on my head, and then they can see if they need to fix their hair.
Thoughtful and practical. I'm so proud that you... what was...
Shh! Wait. Oh no! It can't be! Theologitomaton!
Leo, how dare you discard me like common refuse? You will pay for your insolence! Come out and face me in my final form, which has surpassed even your ability to understand.
What do we do? What do we do?
Not to worry, Mimi. I've installed defense systems all around First Second Church. There!
Your puny defenses are no match for me, Leo! No one can help you now!
She's right! We're trapped here, all alone!
Well, God is always with us.
Yes, Monty, God is with us. But I don't know what to do.
So this is it? We're doomed?
I'm afraid so. You and Monty had better take cover.
Monty? Monty!
Good morning. I'm going to have to ask you to leave. You're not supposed to have bikes up on the sidewalk.
Are you speaking to me?
I think so.
Monty!
What are you doing?
You dare to challenge me? Alone?
I'm not alone. I have my sister and Leo with me.
Run for it, Monty!
Oh, pretend to be asleep.
And God is always with me, so I've got a bunch of things with me. Oh, and my bird mirror.
Silence! Enough of this foolishness!
Ooh, a nickel.
That was amazing! I can't believe you stood up to something that powerful.
What? A nickel? They're pretty harmless.